To download your materials from Khonos, navigate to khonos.com and then find the My Account link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click that link, which will bring you to our login page. Enter the login username and password that you created during checkout. This will bring you to the My Account page, where you can find your previous orders, addresses, account details, payment methods, and most importantly, your downloads. Click on the Downloads link, and you will see all of your eligible downloaded materials. Any of the items on the left, clicking on those will take you to the product page itself. Clicking on the blue buttons on the right will give you the actual PDF for download. If at any time you have problems logging in, say you've forgotten your password, you can use the Lost Your Password link to put in your username or email address that you used at checkout. Click the Reset Password button, and it will email you a link that you can use to then reset your password.